Welcome back to the channel. My name is Tony Fox and this is Tony Fox Builds, and well, today we are doing more of a repair than I am building anything new. But I do get to learn a new skill, so that's going to be fun. I'm working on a timing cover on a 2003 F-150 with the 4.2 V6, which I do not like the motor anymore. The best part was, when I first got it, okay, I'll say this. When it runs nicely, it's a very nice motor because it's very quiet. It had like 24 miles a gallon or 26. I think I got up to like 26 on the highways or 27, something like that. None of my vehicles do that or have done that in past ever. That's probably the best gas mileage of a vehicle I've ever had. My first truck was a 77 F-250 with the 460, and well, you just watch the gas gauge just kind of, as you're driving, it just goes. My Ranger probably gets 16 if I'm lucky, which I don't mind. That's the V6 in itself, but I have the gearing change, I have the tires, it's old, it's 4.0.
Loud noises!
That's fine to have, but if you're going to have an F-150 with the 8-foot bed, you need a V8. You need the 4.6 or the 5.4, which those have their own issues. I have a 5.4 liter Expedition. I like it. That motor is very nice, but like I said, they all have their issues. Every motor has an issues. Anyone that tells you any vehicle or motor is perfect is full of crap. So just know, whatever you get, you're going to have to learn to work on it or just pay to have it serviced every now and then. It's going to happen. So anyways, as you can see, I've chosen to fix the timing cover. Now, I can't find parts for the 4.2. I've tried to find a timing cover on AutoZone, Napa, Advanced Auto Parts, LKQ. They couldn't even get one for me because usually what they do is they keep the motors together. They don't give you motor parts. So that was kind of the issue I was running into. And that was definitely one of the motors that they do not separate. I tried going to Pick-A-Parts. I tried finding other junkyards where they would pull the parts for you, and they're just like, no, we don't have that, and we're not going to do that. So I've just been having a lot of fun with this vehicle. So this is my attempt to, well, one, weld aluminum for the first time, and then welding a timing cover to tap and then thread it, which, like I said before, I have tapped and threaded before, but not on any sort of motor parts. It was a little daunting. It was a little, I was, clenched up a little, when I was doing this. So, well, here's the story of me trying to learn how to do that. And please enjoy, like, and subscribe. Comment down below if you see me doing anything wrong, which you will. I'm not going to pretend that I don't know. I just, hey, watch. Bye. Insane. Before we get started on the welding, I'm going to have to take it off the motor so that I can take it back into the shop where my welder is. Okay, so I am going to warn you, if you are a professional machinist, mechanic, welder, professional, I will tell you now to avert your eyes if you do not want to see the pain of me attempting this for the first time and embarrassing myself. So, you have been warned. That's all I'm going to say. So I tried prying off the timing cover and I forgot there's one last bolt. It's actually an Allen key, so it's really easy to get gunked up and just completely hidden on the timing cover, and it's right above the oil pan on the driver's side of the motor. So make sure you find that one before you try and pry anything and cause any further damage. There. See that? That's the Allen key. Okay. Found it. That could have been bad. There it is. That's the jerk right there. That's it. There we go. I snapped two, not one, two of those Chinesium reverse bits. So you drill out the bolt and you put in the bit, use an impact gun, and just like, and then it just snapped right off. So what was I going to do? So this is why I'm taking this completely off, drilling it out completely, drilling through two of those stupid reverse bits, and then I'm able to slide in a sleeve that I'm going to then drill and tap. So this is where I'm at right now in this project, and you'll see how I'm doing. So I'm going to end the video there because I know I've been rambling on for a lot of it and not really showing anything. So on the next episode, let's see if I can weld this up or do it the easy way and dumb and, you know, lazy, I guess you would call it. No, I'm not going to do that. I got to do it the right way. Tune in to see how that works out for me, or if it works out for me. So take care now. Bye-bye then.